We are from HELP, the Haitian Education and Leadership Program. 200 students and 300 college graduates. And every year, our numbers grow. We are from the largest university scholarship and leadership program in Haiti that gives opportunities to the most deserving. We travel a country, working together, seeking the best and brightest young minds. We are lawyers and doctors, engineers and agronomists, psychologists and entrepreneurs, accountants and architects, economists, teachers, and more. We are proud to contribute 10% of our revenue to pay forward what we were so generously given. We are working together to build a thriving nation that honors the extraordinary resilience of our ancestors while creating an abundant future for our children. We are kind and compassionate. We are hardworking and hopeful. We are the Haitian Education and Leadership Program. We are the future of Haiti. Be a part of the compete and join the journey to a new Haiti.